everyone, welcome back to Mick the Miner!
Hello guys, welcome back to Make the Miner of the Minecraft series. First, we need food. So bad. But first, we will mine. We're waiting, we're mine. Boom. Our goal today is to farm in the next. Today is to farming. Our goal today is to farm, but first we will mine because we don't have food yet. Boom, bada boom, bada bim, bada boom, bada bim, boom, bum, boom, bum, boom, bim, boom, bum, bum, boom, and torch. Oh no! Boom, bum, boom, bum, boom, bum, boom, boom, bum, boom, bum, boom, bum, bum, bum. Oh no! It's night. But first, boom, bum, boom. Where's the wood? Boom, 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 boom. To boom. We need. Oh wait, no, no, no. Yes. Boom, pero boom, boom, boom. First, we eat. Nom 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 nom. Charcoal. Sticks. Torch. Boom. Sleep. Sleep. First. Wow. We will put torches around our home. But first, we will get. Wait a minute. Sticks, wood, copper, boom, boom, boom. Only two. Boom, boom, and oh, boom, boom, boom. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Ho, 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 ho. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. We get a farm and mine a lady built more, and I'll end the video. Boom, 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 para boom, bam, Dirt? How did dirt get here? Wait a minute. And that's for all today, guys. See you see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.